These are the 20 best travel camera of 2024, and I'm gonna rank all of them from God tier to trash tier. Links to all of these best travel camera will be listed in the description below. Number 1. Fujifilm X106. This camera is an absolute dream. It's got a gorgeous retro design that just oozes cool, and the image quality from that 40-megapixel APS-C sensor is insane. The fixed 35mm equivalent lens is super sharp, and the hybrid viewfinder is a joy to use. I love how compact it is while still feeling premium. The only downside is the hefty price tag, but for street and travel shooters who want the best, it's worth every penny. This one's a no-brainer for me. It's going straight into God tier. Number 2. Sony ZV-1. This little powerhouse is perfect for vloggers and content creators. The flip-out screen and excellent autofocus make it a breeze for use for video. And the image quality is pretty solid too. I really appreciate the built-in ND filter and the side grip. It's not the most versatile for stills, but for its target audience, it's fantastic. The compact size makes it great for travel too. I'm feeling good about this one. I'm putting it in the great tier. Number 3. Ricoh GR3X. Now this is a street photographer's dream. It's incredibly compact. Seriously, it fits in your pocket but still packs an APS-C sensor. The 40mm equivalent lens is super sharp, and the controls are intuitive. I love the snap focus feature for quick shooting. The downside is the fixed screen and lack of viewfinder, which might not be for everyone. But for those who get it, it's an amazing tool. I'm convinced this one's going into the great tier. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix LX102. This camera's got a lot going for it. A versatile 24 to 75mm equivalent zoom, 4K video, and a larger than average 4/3 sensor. The manual controls are great for enthusiasts, and the image quality is solid. However, it's starting to show its age a bit, especially in the autofocus department. It's still a capable all-rounder, but it's not quite at the top of its game anymore. After some thought, I'm placing this one in good tier. Number 5. Canon PowerShot G1X Mark III. This compact powerhouse packs an APS-C sensor into a surprisingly small body. I love the versatile 24 to 72mm equivalent zoom lens, perfect for everyday shooting. The dual-pixel autofocus is snappy, and the image quality is impressive for its size. However, the f2.8 to 5.6 aperture range isn't great for low light, and the battery life could be better. It's a solid choice for enthusiasts who want DSLR-like quality in a pocket-sized package. I'm placing this in the good tier. It's not groundbreaking, but it's a reliable travel companion. Number 6. Leica Q3. The 60-megapixel full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality, and that fixed 28mm f1.7 Lumix lens is tack-sharp. The autofocus is lightning fast, and the build quality is typical Leica perfection. Sure, it's expensive as hell, and the fixed lens might be limiting for some, but for street and travel photography, it's hard to beat. The tilt-and touch screen is a nice upgrade from the Q2. I'm putting this beauty in the God tier. It's pricey, but the image quality and user experience are out of this world. Number 7. Sony A7 III. This full-frame mirrorless beast offers incredible value. The 24-megapixel sensor might not be the highest resolution, but the low-light performance and dynamic range are fantastic. I'm a big fan of the advanced autofocus system with eye tracking. It's a game-changer for portraits. The dual card slots are great for pros, and the battery life is impressive for a mirrorless camera. The menu system can be a bit confusing though. For its versatility and performance at this price point, I'm slotting the A7 III into the great tier. It's a workhorse that can handle almost any situation. Number 8. Panasonic Lumix G100D. This little micro 4/3 camera is aimed squarely at vloggers and content creators. The compact size and flip-out screen are perfect for self-recording, and the Osmo audio system is pretty neat. I appreciate the inclusion of an electronic viewfinder, not always a given in this class. The 20-megapixel sensor produces a decent image, but the lack of embodied stabilization is a bummer. It's a good starter camera for aspiring YouTubers, but more serious shooters might find it limiting. I'm putting this in the good tier. It's a solid entry-level option, but there are more capable cameras out there for not much more money. Number 9. Fujifilm X-S20. This little gem packs a punch. It got a 26.1-megapixel APS-C sensor and some seriously impressive video capabilities. I love how user-friendly it is. Perfect for beginners, but still has enough features to keep more experienced shooters happy. The embodied stabilization is a godsend for handheld shots, and that fully articulating screen is great for vlogging. Sure, the EVF could be better, but overall, it's a solid all-rounder. I'm putting this in the grade tier. It's versatile, compact, and delivers fantastic image quality. Number 10. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. Alright, let's talk about this cute little Micro Four Thirds camera. It's super compact and lightweight, making it ideal for travel. The embodied stabilization is top-notch, and I love the flip-down screen for selfies. However, the autofocus isn't as snappy as some competitors, and the plastic build feels a bit cheap. It's a good entry-level option, but more advanced users might find it limiting. For me, this lands squarely in the good tier. It's a solid travel companion, especially for beginners, but it's not going to blow your socks off. Number 11. Osmo Action 4. DJI's upped their game with this one. The larger 1 to 1.3-inch sensor makes a noticeable difference in image quality, especially in low light. I'm impressed by the magnetic mounting system. It's so quick and easy to use. The front touchscreen is a game changer for vlogging. Sure, it's pricier than some competitors, but the image quality and features justify it. This bad boy is definitely earning its place in the grade tier. It's a fantastic option for action camera enthusiasts and vloggers alike. Number 12. Sony PowerShot RX10 IV. And now we're talking. This beast of a bridge camera is like the Swiss Army knife of travel photography. The 24 to 600mm equivalent zoom range is insane, and the constant f2.4 to 4 aperture is a dream. The 1-inch sensor delivers stunning image quality, and the autofocus is lightning fast. Yes, it's bulky and expensive, but it's basically replacing an entire camera bag. For me, this is a no-brainer god-tier camera. It's versatile, powerful, and delivers professional-level results in a single package. Number 13. Nikon Z50. This retro-styled camera is a real beauty, but unfortunately, it's more about looks than substance. While it offers solid image quality and decent autofocus, the ergonomics and build quality are disappointing. The plastic body feels cheap, and the lack of weather sealing is a letdown. It's a fun camera for casual shooters who prioritize style, but the serious photographers might find it frustrating. I'm placing this in the good tier because it has potential, but Nikon needs to address some key issues. Number 14. Nikon Z50. Now we're talking. This little powerhouse packs a punch with its excellent ergonomics, fast continuous shooting, and impressive 4K video capabilities. The deep grip makes it comfortable to hold, even for those with larger hands. It's a versatile camera that can handle a variety of shooting situations. The only real downside is a lack of embodied image stabilization. I'm confidently putting this in the grade tier. It's a solid choice for the enthusiasts, and it has some pros looking for a compact system. Number 15. Canon EOS R50. This tiny camera is a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, it offers good image quality, impressive autofocus, and some nice video features. On the other hand, its small size can be a hindrance, leading to accidental button presses and ergonomic issues. The lack of weather sealing in a single SD card slot might also be deal breakers for some. It's a decent option for beginners or those prioritizing compactness, but it has its limitations. I'm placing it in the good tier. It's not bad, but it's not knocking my socks off either. Number 16. Sony A7 III. Sony's latest APS-C offering brings a lot to the table. The new 26-megapixel sensor delivers excellent image quality, and the AI-powered autofocus system is seriously impressive. The improved ergonomics, including a deeper grip, make it more comfortable to use than its predecessors. However, it's not without its flaws. The lack of a joystick and dual card slots are disappointing omissions. Despite these issues, I'm putting this in the grade tier. It's a versatile camera that can handle both stills and video with aplomb, making it a solid choice for hybrid shooters. Number 17. Sony A7 III. This little powerhouse packs a full-frame sensor into a compact body, making it perfect for travel. The autofocus is absolutely insane, sticking to subjects like glue. I love how it handles high ISOs, letting me shoot in low light without breaking a sweat. The only downsides are the entry-level EDF and touchscreen, which feel a bit cheap, but for its size and performance, I'm putting this bad boy in God tier without hesitation. Number 18. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This tiny camera is a vlogger's dream. The 1-inch sensor delivers surprisingly good image quality, and the built-in gimbal keeps everything buttery smooth. I'm impressed by how long the battery lasts, and the fast charging is a lifesaver. The only real bummer is the lack of zoom, but for its size and capabilities, I'm confident with placing it in the great tier. Number 19. Sony ZV-E10. This little gem is tailor-made for content creators. The fully articulating screen and excellent autofocus make vlogging a breeze. I love the interchangeable lens system, giving you way more flexibility than fixed lens options. The lack of a viewfinder is a bit annoying for stills, but for its intended audience, it's not a deal breaker. Considering its strengths for video and overall versatility, I'm slotting this one into the great tier. Number 20. Sony RX107. This pocket rocket is a travel photographer's best friend. The zoom range is incredible, going from wide angle to telephoto in a tiny package. The autofocus and burst shooting are top-notch, making it great for action and wildlife. However, the controls can feel cramped, and the high ISO performance isn't amazing. Despite these minor gripes, the versatility and image quality such a small form factor make this an easy god-tier pick for me. So there you have it. These are my personal ratings for all of the most popular, best travel camera of 2024. Links to all of these travel camera will be in the description below. Do you agree with me on these rankings or not? Leave a comment down below and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.